So, you wanna know how to get Flappy Bird in 2018? Well, I had that same problem, but now I'm here to teach you. So, somewhere along the line, Flappy Bird got removed from Play Store because of some copyrighted reasons. So, now I'm gonna show you how to get it even though it's not on Play Store. Let me just show you that it is not on Play Store. So basically, Flappy Bird, you can see it is not here because the original developer is called .gears. So that's New York City JSC, and the one underneath that one is Flappy Bird by Bay Valdo. So now I'm going to show you how to get it on another way. First of all, click the first link I gave you in the description, and then it'll take you to this website. Then scroll down a little bit until you see verified, safe to install, read more. Then click download APK. APK is basically an Android package, so I don't think this tutorial will work for iOS. You guys can try, but I don't know if it will work. Tell me in the comment section down below if it works for iOS. Okay guys, so then click download. Once it downloads, go out of Google Chrome, go to settings, then go to your security tab, then scroll a little bit down until you see unknown sources. Make sure that is checked. That'll basically allow you to install APKs. Then go back to downloads and click the Flappy Bird APK. Then just click install. Once it's done installing, click done. Close your downloads. Then all you have to do is play. So yeah, now we can play the lovely game we all love. That sounded really dumb. But anyway guys, hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope I could have helped you in some way. So please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.